If you're looking for a sky-scraping scare, no one stands taller than the Pumpkin King. At 13 frightening feet, the giant Jack Skellington towers over all. Never one to underdress, this devilish dandy is decked out in his classic black pinstripe suit, with a wide bat-like bow tie stretching far past his slender shoulders.
There are few who deny it. What I do, I am the best, for my talents are renowned far and wide.
Glowing brightly all night long. Trigger his motion sensor and his Skellington skull begins to turn, bringing this secret Santa into the land of the living once again. His jagged jaw opens and his haunted head moves from side to side as he quotes some of the most memorable moments from everyone's favorite nightmare. And if his first face doesn't feel festively frightening enough, remove and replace for a new Halloween Town attitude, playful to sinister with the interchangeable faceplate. Don't bother telling the Pumpkin King what you want for Christmas this year. Naughty or nice, he'll see to it this nightmare is your last.